Numit Mangani chatthagadaba Manipur International Textile Expo MANITEX 2025 Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Balana lusingduna ngasidagi houdokhre Department of Textile Commerce and Industry Government of Manipur sinduna nilakutida laiba urban hatta Chatliba tha asigi tang tarani thoi phawba chatthagadaba MANITEX aduda tongan ba makhalgi stall chama hangduna khutna saba potlam kaya utki Directorate of Handlooms and Textile Manipur gi makok thongba kaya saruk yaduna pangthokiba thawram adugi manung chana National Handloom Development Program gi makhada fi sanaba frame loom amadi accessories su yanthoki loinana handloom gi training phangkraba singi mafamda sel gi oiba mating chupi ki thawram asigi makha sathaba oina Fashion Week yauna musical night chu pangthokadori MANITEX hawdokpa thawram ga mari leinana Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Balan hai Manipur masasingda laiba talent makoina putholiba khutchagi oiba potlam kaya asigidama tasengna sauthokpa poi masagi haizabagi mathakta Department of Textile Commerce and Industry na tongan ba makhalgi skill development kaya biduna entrepreneur kaya putholakpa ashi Manipur gi oina laibak fabani ngasi pangthokliba expo sinasu mapalgi tongan ba industry singa thabak tawminaba yabagi khudong saba phangduna hena saukhatpa oiba ngamlagani haina su mahangna makha takhi
I am happy to note that the Department of Textiles, Commerce and Industry continues to take proactive steps in supporting our handloom sector through skill development, design innovation, digital marketing and financial assistance. Let's together build the Made in Manipur brand as a mark of artistry, authenticity and eco-conscious craftsmanship.